How to make Facebook cover photo in Picsart. Let's design a stunning Facebook cover photo that represents you or your brand in Picsart. First, start a new canvas with 820 x 312 pixels, the recommended Facebook cover size. Upload your main photo or create a background with gradients or patterns. Use text to add your page name, tagline, or schedule. Just don't place important elements near the edges. Drag in icons, logos, or shapes to personalize it, and align everything to the center area for best visibility. Once you are satisfied with the design, export it and upload to your Facebook profile or page. What's your page about? Tell us in the comments below. Use grid lines to ensure your content sits in the mobile safe zone. Center is the best. And that's how you can make Facebook cover photo in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.